Morningstar is a leading provider of asset allocation, portfolio construction and investment research services, with over 35 years' experience in the United States, Australia and other international markets. Morningstar Investment Management manages and advises funds for superannuation funds, institutions, platform distributors, financial advisors and individuals. Our disciplined investment approach delivers independent, cost-effective and holistic solutions for investors designed to help them reach their financial goals. Morningstar Investment Management's investment philosophy is underpinned by a set of 7 investment principles that guide every investment decision that we make. These principles are ingrained in our culture and capture the latest research in behavioural finance to deliver a rational and sustainable approach to investing for our clients. The 7 principles are as follows. We put investors first, we're independent-minded, we invest for the long term, we're valuation-driven investors, we take a fundamental research approach, we strive to minimise costs, and we build portfolios holistically. At its core, our investment approach is about managing risk and delivering better returns for end clients. And we're able to do this by leveraging the research, analysis and portfolio construction capabilities of hundreds of investment professionals in our global teams. We know that markets change. Our active, valuation-driven asset allocation approach means that we're able to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. We do this rather than a once-in-a-year or longer rebalance, which is typically the case with more rigid approaches. Our investment process is built on a foundation of continuous analysis, looking at asset class valuations using our valuation-driven asset allocation framework. This way, we're able to establish which asset classes are undervalued and overvalued. Practically speaking, we're looking to invest in assets that are cheaper or undervalued. But we're not limited to value. We want to be sure that the assets we're buying are appropriate for the risks we're taking. And this is determined by rigorous research to understand what's fundamentally driving each investment. We structure our analysis around fundamental characteristics of each company, including its cash flow, balance sheet, and potential for sustainable competitive advantage. Our research, screening, and portfolio construction processes keep our focus on facts that really matter. And finally, we look to combine investments with different underlying drivers, which is guided by both historical and forward-looking fundamental analysis. In doing so, we can improve stability and total returns over the long term. These portfolios are designed for investors who are focused on achieving or managing wealth over the longer term. The outcome of our approach is often a smoother ride in an investor's investment journey. The approach is more active than passive and for investors who want to be rewarded for the measured risks that are being taken. Investors in our portfolio aren't chasing hot stocks or overvalued assets. They're looking for a more enduring approach over the longer term. The Morningstar Investment Management team is based around the globe. The US and the UK, South Africa, India, and of course Australia. While the Morningstar business has offices in 29 countries. In Australia, our team brings a rich heritage of local investment management experience with deep knowledge to craft solutions that cater for our market. Above all, our team is dedicated to research and building and managing the portfolios that support our clients' financial goals.